Morning! 1K. 1K. Let's go, let's go. So guys, 2K. Almost a month tayo hindi nakatakbo guys. So we're trying to get back to running. Kasi nabisi ako mag-training sa road bike. So, ayun since late tayo nagising. Nag-running tayo for 5K. Zone 2. Kino-control ko yung heart rate ko guys, pero medyo mabilis tayo, medyo mas mataas siya sa 150. So let's try to finish this 5K. And let's try to merge. Pagsabay yung bike sa running. Pero alternate kasi priority pa rin natin yung work natin. So let's go. Nangina tayo guys. So kailangan natin mag zone 2 ng ilang ulit pa nito bago tayo makabalik. But anyhow, at least we tried. At least we tried for today. So dapat wag pa rin natin pabayaan yung pagra-running natin. Kasi pag natigil ka, pwede kang bumalik sa una. So we'll try to get back sa zone 2 training natin. And let's try to run again further. Mga 1 to 2 hours. For ngayon, 5K muna. Kasi sobrang init pa din. So guys, running for 25 minutes. 3K. 3K. Zone 2. Pero hatay ko. Lagpas na sa 150. Woo! More training. More training ulit. 4K guys. 4K. Running for 37 minutes. Hala na. Needs to improve guys. Needs to improve. Wala na eh. Accepted kasi nga guys. Napabayaan ko yung running. Hindi kasi pwedeng after bike mag-run ako. Kasi guys, asthmatic ako. So, dagdag motivation para mas mag-train guys. Zone 2 lang muna tayo. Hanggang sa pwede na tayo mag-intervals. So guys, 5K. 5K for 40 minutes. So needs improving guys, but at least we did finish the run today. So just do it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.